Hi guys, my name's Gill Meller. I'm a chef and food writer and I'm sat here in the veg garden. It's the perfect spring day. We're going to be cooking the most amazing springtime pizza in the Ooni Karu 16. I've made the dough already. That's been proving in the fridge overnight. And some of the other ingredients are growing right here around me. The star of the show is stinging nettles, but you could use chard or spinach. I just love the fact that they're wild and free and in abundance at this time of year. I'm going to top the wilted stinging nettles with some lovely milky mozzarella that's been tumbled with some herbs. Again, they're growing right here. We've got parsley, chives and fennel tops, which have a lovely sweet aniseedy flavour. I'm going to chuck in some sliced spring onions, some beautiful lemon zest, lovely olive oil. And that just gets scattered out over the wilted nettles. The pizzas go into the oven. It wants to be nice and hot, 450 degrees C. They'll only take about 60 to 90 seconds. Bring them out, slice them up. They are the most amazing, fresh green pizza you'll ever eat.
For this and more recipes, visit ooni.com.